Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a eufy Robovac X8 and you need to replace the battery. You might notice that your battery is not really holding a charge anymore or it won't charge at all. Just replacing the battery is super easy to do on these vacuums. First thing you need to do is just get a new battery, and I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to where you can order a battery. They're not that expensive, and it's really easy. All you need to do is make sure that your vacuum is turned off, and then you're going to flip it over. And the first thing you can do is you can take this out if you want, just like unscrew it right here and move the little brush off. You actually don't need to do this, but it kind of gets it out of the way because the battery is just right in here. And the only thing you need to do to access the battery is to take this screw and this screw out, and then the battery case comes off. You can take the battery off, unplug it from the machine, plug the new battery in, put the back on, and then if you've taken this brush off, you can go ahead and put the brush back on, and you're done. So like I said, I'll put a link in the description to the battery that you need.